Meet the Trini.
Weirdo.
And this is the Jamaican.
Oh, you want fast, so? Fast? Yes.
They don't always quite understand each other.
Businessman. Wait now. Is Mako you saying I'm Mako?
Well, now they can.
Jamaican Sinting explores how data stock versus where we set in a Jamaica.
Hey girl, it's me. What's the scene? Yes, girl. Wagwan.
Oh, you see that last game the other day or what?
Yeah, boy. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. What the jail is this? Why this here? I with the backside this I do out here, sir. What's that dragging jail like a log of hoe? Stop your foolishness, man. No, go, sir. And in a Jamaica, we actually call that rolling calf. Boy, don't let me lash you with this. I lick you want lick the picnic. How many to drink now? You mean soda? Wait, boy, I'll pelt you down with this, you know. Are you fling that slippers there? Nah, just do it. Don't worry yourself, man. Kiana, miss, hey? Watch the zombie coming for she. That's why I'm not like watch the dopey show there, you know. Poor girl getting home from her side. That girl get bun left, right, and center. Hey, comments for so. What a piece of mix up. Is a real girl's man. Him my biggest girlis. That girl feels she's the best thing. Then that the girl feel like she a hot girl. Boy, my eye full of yampy. You mean matter?
Simple, right? Well, not all differences are harmless. Imagine Miss Trini bearing her soul, seeking consolation about a deep, dark issue plaguing her life. Miss Jamaican Sinting replies. Miss Trini would see red.
And that may tell you is just a few of the differences between the words we use, but there are lots of similarities. For example, nail polish, whether in Jamaica or in Trinidad, is always Q-Tex. And you see this, no matter the brand, Pampas.
So, where you from? And oh, no, that's the same thing there.
Alright, done. This real lash.